Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to find out if magnesium will burn in a flask filled with carbon dioxide. Check this out. For this investigation, I'm using my blowtorch, magnesium ribbon, a 2,000 milliliter flask, some acetic acid, pliers, a wooden splint, candle, a small glass container and a dropper, and sodium bicarbonate. The first step in this investigation is just to create some carbon dioxide gas, and I'm going to do that by adding sodium bicarbonate to this container, and then I'm going to add some acetic acid. This is a double displacement reaction that will make sodium acetate and carbonic acid. The carbonic acid is unstable and it immediately decomposes into carbon dioxide gas that's more dense than the air in the container and will displace that air. Now I'm ready to add drops of acetic acid to our sodium bicarbonate, and you'll see the reaction start. And the bubbles that you see is carbon dioxide gas. And since that carbon dioxide gas is more dense than the air in the container, it starts to displace the air as the container fills with carbon dioxide. Okay, so we've got our burning splint. Let's see if the carbon dioxide gas displays so much air that there's no oxygen for the splint to combust. Right away. The carbon dioxide will extinguish a burning splint of wood. What would happen if we put a burning strip of magnesium inside this flask filled with carbon dioxide gas? Let's find out. For this demonstration, I'll definitely be using my shield. I'll use the torch to ignite the magnesium strip that I've bent into a spiral so I can lower it down into the flask with my pliers. And I'll do that right after we generate carbon dioxide gas by adding the acetic acid to the sodium bicarbonate. Okay, so first we'll generate some carbon dioxide gas. Ignite. And test it. Look at that. It is still burning, even in the carbon dioxide. Look at that. You can see on the edges of the flask that white chalky product is magnesium oxide. Okay, so the white part that you see along the magnesium ribbon, that's magnesium oxide, but that black part along it, that's actual elemental carbon. Okay, let's take a look at this amazing reaction. We start out with the reactants magnesium, Mg, and CO2 carbon dioxide gas, and it creates the products magnesium oxide, MgO, and elemental carbon. In this case, carbon dioxide can't be used to put out a magnesium fire because magnesium is so reactive, it tears the oxygen atoms right off the carbon dioxide molecules. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.